Y'all ain't gonna believe me, but I ain't joking. This car is doing this by itself, and it just stopped, and I don't know why. Oh, you see it, right? I don't know why this happening. Calling it an electrical short, or a ghost, or it's a UFO or something controlling my car, but I ain't doing. See my hand right here. I ain't touching no controls. It's just happening by itself. I just decided to record it. I watched it for a while and just shocked. Like, wow, what is going on? It's a touch screen, and ain't nobody touching the screen. Why is it doing that? They got a steering wheel. You know what I'm saying? I'm just sitting in the car. I'm in park. I got the brake on. I mean the handbrake on. And for some strange reason, it just started out of nowhere. I've never seen this before. I don't know, man. What's going on here? I'm gonna try some other things. So here go another strange thing. Look at my left turning signal. When I push on the brake, it either goes faster or the reverse sound to come on. Pushed on the brake, go faster. Let go the brake, go back to normal. It's a strange car, man. I push on the brake, nothing happens. Turning right. It's crazy, man. It's a Nissan March. Yeah, you got them in Japan, cause that's where I'm at. I'm in Japan. I put on the hazard lights and push the brake. Nothing happens. Oh, I thought that stopped. It's still going. I tell you what, turn the hazards off, and I'm gonna cut the car off and see what happens. And I'm gonna cut the car back on. It's kind of dark, or you can't see nothing over there. Now let's see if that touchscreen navigation system still goes wild. So it's not going crazy anymore, which is kind of good. I'm gonna see what's going on. Okay, well, I guess I fixed it. Maybe it's just a glitch. That glitch still there, but at least that stopped. It's a crazy world, man. Crazy world.